everyone. Hello viewers, this is our Kia's kitchen here. It's been a while we've not made a video because kids are on half term. Let's make a quick video, share what we are having for lunch today with you. In today's video we are going to make potato porridge, and I mean that's like in poto, back what we call in Ghana as in poto. So instead of using yam, we are going to be using potatoes. So we've got our potatoes here. We've got our fish, and actually this is salmon fish. This fish we got it out of our fish stock that we did a video. We'll be leaving a link down to show you how we do fish stock. So we got our fish from our fish stock. As I told you before, after doing your stock, you can always take the fish from the bones, and that can equally be used for what you want. So we got this fish from the bones that we use for our fish stock, and we've got our stock here. This is our fish stock that we did just 2 days ago. So we'll be using that in our recipe as well. So a whole fish stock video that we did previously, we'll be leaving the link below for you to see. If you've not seen our video, you can check it out. We've got our tomato puree. This is homemade tomato puree made from fresh tomatoes. I actually did it just this morning. You can still see the vapor coming out of it because it's quite hot. We just finished cooking that tomato puree. We've got our salt, our pink salt, and here is ginger and then garlic. I just use the grater to grate it because it's just a little bit that we need, so I didn't bother to blend it. And we've got our vegetables that we'll be adding to our porridge here. You can actually use any vegetables of your choice, but we've got broccoli and then carrots ready to add. And then we will be using coconut oil, and it's organic coconut oil, cold press. So basically what we try to do is we try to eat as healthy, use whole foods instead of processed food, and then try to reduce all these cans and artificial foods. So we are going to start our cooking. We've got our saucepan here that we are putting on, and that goes to 7. We'll put in our coconut oil. So that's like 2 spoons of coconut oil. Oh, what we left out is ginger and onion. So I'll quickly dice our onion, add to our oil when it's cooked. We are adding our onion to the oil. Just fry it for a while. So you give it a bit of a stir. So just leave our onion to turn a bit brown. So when it's a bit soft and brown, we can add our tomato puree into it. We've got our onion a bit soft and brown, so now we are going to add our tomato puree into it. We just need to cook that for a little while as well. Yeah, so we've been cooking our tomato with our onion for a minute or two now. So we are going to add our ginger and garlic into it. We give it a bit stir. Add our shredded fish, that's salmon fish, to it. And that's our salt to taste. The salt to taste, you just do that's a teaspoon we've just added, but anything to taste to your taste. So we leave this to cook like 2 to 3 minutes. Then we add our potatoes. So the next one is we've let our stew to cook for like another 2-3 minutes, and now we've got our potatoes already diced and washed. We did it a bit chunky cubes. You can cut it as small as you want. The sizes doesn't really matter. It depends on what you want, but I want it a bit big so that they can pick and eat. Like if they want to eat, you can see the potatoes in the porridge that they can literally pick and eat. So that's why I did it a bit chunky. So now we are ready to add our potatoes to our sauce. Give it a good stir. And now the next thing we are going to add is our stock. And so instead of putting water, this is the process I really like. This is the stage I like. Instead of putting, like some people put water in this stage to help the potato cook. So instead of putting water in your food, you can just put your stock, homemade stock, which you get all the nutrients, help with your guts, and then all other things that we get from all these fish stocks and then meat stocks we do. So we give it a good stir. We leave it to cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. When it's almost cooked, we'll then add our vegetables. We don't want our vegetables very soft and soggy. We want it a bit crispy in the food. So we'll leave our porridge to cook. When it's almost done, that's when we'll add our vegetables. So in a minute, like getting to 10 minutes, we'll be adding it. So it's been like 10 minutes since we've been cooking our porridge. And this is how it looks like now. We are going to add our vegetables. So we've got our broccoli and then carrots here. We're going to add to. We've already washed and diced everything ready to add to. So we just give it a good stir. Right. And leave it to cook for another 10 minutes. And then our porridge will be done. So please share our videos with your friends and keep following us. We thank you for all your support, and we know someone somewhere might benefit from what we are doing. This is a quick meal. It's done within 30 to 40 minutes. Very easy to make and very, very nutritious. Then all ingredients are fresh. You can see it and you can see how yummy it looks like. Thank you for watching. Keep following us and share with your family and friends. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.